What's going on? Looky, my party people. I got another video. This package it made. I had it a couple days. It made it past the final boss. I'm out here on the road, so I'm going to get this video in. Before I do that, can I get my intro?
It's summertime round 09. On the corner real heavy, nigga won't shine. I had this thick red bone on my armpit. Angelina Jolie, nigga, I was Brad Pitt.
Now, I'm back. Alright, this might not be everybody's cup of tea, but thank everyone for watching my videos, checking my other stuff. Hopefully everybody got their raffle in from the Undefeated 4. It's over with, but you got another chance. First come, first serve on Saturday. You also have, I think at the end of August, you got you're gonna have another opportunity. I think they might be releasing the actual real release, so have your apps and all that stuff ready, because you may or may not have some more opportunities for it. But of course, I am going for the Steel 10s on Saturday, so everybody trying to cop that, hopefully good luck on that. Now, if you go out and tell a family member, a friend, so we can get this channel to 10K, so I can do my little giveaway around the holidays, Thanksgiving, New Year's. There were a couple of shoes, a couple shoes for the children, whoever, all that good stuff. Also, make sure you follow the home team, 313 Retro Queen, MCFLYKOF, and follow us, Who Has the Heat, on IG and YouTube. All right, we're down to the final 4. Salute the 10.5. Coffee with the Foe, Influence SB, and QC Kiki Cutie for making it to the final 4 of season 12. Now, like I said, this might not be everybody's cup of tea, but when I saw these shoes, I was like, I had to have them. Or did I have to have them? Not really. I guess they came on the radar. There's actually a pack, and I'm notorious for wanting the pack. So I don't know if I'm gonna get the other 3. I probably like to wait for them to go on sale. The box is all beat up. The main thing I did, make it past the final box. The final box. I always mess up these final boss. As you can see, got this little iridescent box. You see that? Saucony or Saucony, however you want to call it. But you see the box all beat up like that. See it on the side. And this is a size 10.5. If you're looking for comfort, Saucony is it. You got the J-tips in this as well. ProGrid Omni 9 green glow. Forgot how much. I think they retail for $150 or $160. Like I said, there's a 3-pack. You got your little sticker ricker up here, and here you go. You have the green Glowaconstrictor. Check them out. So it's basically made off of the metallic and iridescent colors of nature. So I don't know how much it's gonna bling bling. Actually, they got some extra laces. That's new. All black laces, nothing spectacular. But here's the shoe 1 and 2. Nice and green Glowaconstrictor, right? So you already know it's based off of a snake. And like I said, this is pretty much will be a lifestyle shoe, so you can walk around and all of that good stuff. Do a quick spin-a-rooney. See that? See that? So underneath, you have your nice little glow pod look, right? And you got your nice little green. Come with like a little, I think it's some type of absorption, I want to say, on this part here. So it separates the forefoot from the back. And you got, so it's pretty good right here. This is nice and clean. On the toe, you got your mesh. And then, like I said, you got this iridescent color. You can see that, like I said, it's pretty much based off of probably a python, if you want to say constrictor, right? Because boa constrictor. And you got your green laces, like so. You have your Saucony on your tongue. Coming around on the side, you got your Saucony label. And you have your iridescent hits. Stop talking so fast. Then you got the Omni 9, and in the back you have ProGrid, right? You got ProGrid, and then you have your cushion around the ankle. All right, you got cushion around the ankle. You don't have no shoe tree. You more got like your stuffing. How I call it. If I can get it out. Use some muscle here. Just stuffing out. And the inside, you got your Saucony as well. On the medial side, you can see just kind of got like the scales, right? It's kind of scaly, representing the snake. Some people don't like that type of materials. You got mesh for breathability. So this should be a pretty good walking shoe or running shoe. You can see on the tongue too, you got the scales as well. So I mean, they have, I think it's green color, purple, and I want to say it's another color like a bluish iridescent look. So I may get all of them depending on how this go. Or maybe I say, just change my mind. Say, do I really need this shoe? Because I'm actually trying to cut down on the collection. But other than that, what we need to do is do it on a scale of out of 5. So out of 5, I haven't actually put them on, so I don't know how comfortable they are. I probably would have rather pay about 120, 125, but again, you got to pay for good shoes, because like I said, I do have these in the J-tip, and they are very, very dope. So I did, when I saw these shoes, I had to have them. So I give it a 4.75 out of 5, right? 4.75 out of 5. You guys let me know what you think. Was this your cup of tea? Or did you just say, Saucony just ain't it? Leave a comment suggestion below, and then we can talk about it in the chat. Other than that, or not in the chat or in the comments, whatever you want to call it. Other than that, thanks for all the love and support. Emoneyshoes, and I'm out.